Hello. The another point is working with prepared samples of Simulink. It is very important because you may work in a project that its simulation takes a long time. In this case, Simulink has some samples and simulated them, put them in the software that you can use them and analyze it and use it in your project. Or even you can have some changes in that in those samples too. You can use either the Simulink help or demo Simulink. Here, for example, I typed demo Simulink. As you can see, there are the different samples and examples. Each them are the samples that the Simulink has prepared them. You can click on them and see the project, the simulation, and use it in your projects.